beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a very quick eyebrow tutorial. Someone said to do an eyebrow tutorial, and this is more like an update. I have to say that not much has changed since I filmed my last eyebrow tutorial, and I feel like that was 2 years ago or so, but I feel like right now I'm doing them a lot faster, a lot quicker, so the process is a little bit more simple and more quick, as I said, and I only used one product, and also I changed the shape since my last eyebrow tutorial. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this very flawless eyebrows then keep on watching. So as I said, not much has changed since I did my last eyebrow tutorial. Now it's easier, faster, quicker, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. And I probably did my eyebrow tutorial 2 years ago, I don't even know, but as I said, I feel like now I do them way faster and the process is a little bit easier. I don't do the shaving or the tweezing every single day, but now since I haven't done that in like a few days, I'm going to show you like the full process, but usually I just fill them in and I'm ready to go. And also I do shave the ends of my eyebrows. Well, sometimes I twist them, so don't do what I do, do what I say, okay? Don't twist the ends because I will probably never grow hair back in there. So don't do what I do, do what I say, okay? Do what I say. Don't twist the ends of the brows if you don't want them. Just shave them, okay? I kind of changed the shape of my eyebrows because at the moment I like them to be a little bit more straight, because in my opinion I feel like that gives the illusion of a lifted face. Probably that's just me, but I don't know, I feel like it kind of works if you do the eyebrows a little bit more straight, not that curved. So yeah, I'm going to first tweeze them. Right now I'm using this vintage cosmetics company tweezer, or whatever, pinzas, whatever these are. So I'm going to clean them. As you can see, I'm not a hairy person, so I don't have that much hair on my face. I like to pull a little bit the skin, you know, so the tweezer grab better the hair and not the skin, because that hurts like crazy. I hate that so much. I have like 3 hairs. Next I'm going to fill them in to give them the shape, and then I will probably trim a little bit the end right here because the hairs tend to fall down and it looks a little bit awkward. So first I like to fill them in to give them the shape I want, and then as I said I will trim a little bit the ends right here. I do love, absolutely love this Latte London Arch Rival brow pencil. This is in the shade dark. I bought like 3 backups. I'm on the second one, and I will probably go and buy some more because it's so affordable. I think it's around 7 euros or so. At the moment, I really love this pencil. I do have more expensive ones, but I feel like this is so damn good. I do like the micro pencils because they are super easy to work with. You can do very thin strokes like hairs, and they're super easy to maneuver, you know. So I'm going to gently fill my eyebrows, and you'll see that I'm going to go straight like that. You see those hairs? I need to trim them. I'm not gonna twist them because, girl, that's not the vibe we want. I'm going to be left with 3 hairs on my eyebrows, and no. So I like to go pretty far, like on my temples, right? That's how you call them. I mean, I guess so. Yeah, I like to go pretty far. I like to make them pretty long because, you know, I do wings, and eyeshadow kind of goes up here, and you know, it kind of complements that. If I make them a little bit shorter, it looks weird in my opinion, okay? So this is the shape I love at the moment, and when I'm doing this part I like to do like 3 long strokes, And I'm going to sharpen my pencil like this, you know, super easy. It makes the tip a lot pointy, so you can do fine strokes like hair. Watch this. And I'm not even pressing, just light hand. You saw that? That looks hella natural. Next I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to blend a little bit the bottom so it looks a little bit more diffuse. That's the eyebrow I love and I like to do every single day, and this is the shape I will probably do forever now, because as I said, I feel like it gives the face this lifted effect. Probably it's just me, but I feel like it helps. Also, I have hooded eyes. If you didn't notice, they are not extremely hooded, but they are pretty hooded. So doing this type of eyebrow, it also helps with the eye to look a little bit more open, and also the eyeshadow will go a little bit nicer, if that makes sense. So also don't forget to blend. Like you see there's like dark spots in there, just go with the spoolie and blend them. If you like them to be a little bit more dark, I feel like this is super natural. If you like them to be a little bit more darker, you can go with the powder on top. I feel like this one is a lot harder to do because it's on my left side. I'm right-handed, and also they never look the same, like never. So as we can see, they don't look the same, but as I said, they never do. So also they don't have to look the same because they are not twins, they are sisters, cousins, whatever. So if I'm looking straight, you can totally see that this one is a little bit more lifted, more higher. That's because this side of my face is a little bit more lifted too. Also, this eye is a lot hooded than this one. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I know my face, I know my flaws, you know. And yeah, that's why this one turns a little bit higher, because this side of my face is a little bit more lifted. Also, I do have more prominent wrinkles here because I guess I do this so often. So yeah guys, this is all I do on my eyebrows. I don't use brow gel. I don't like any brow gels at the moment. I do have the Anastasia one, and I'm not really a fan because that kind of gives me those black dots. I know it kind of crumbles and it gets everywhere. Next I'm going to trim a little bit the ends of the eyebrows, as I said, because on this side it looks a little bit wonky. So I'm going to take this tweezers. No, this is not, this is scissors. What? Scissors. Right, scissors. These are cuticle scissors, but I do use them on my eyebrows. I have more than one, so I only use this on my eyebrows. I'm going to brush the hairs down, and you can totally see what it needs to be trimmed. Don't go crazy. I guess that's it. Easy peasy, super fast. But as I said, I don't tweeze or trim my brows every single day. I did this to show you the whole process. That's it, you guys. This is the whole process. This is what I like to do on my eyebrows. Super easy, super simple, super fast, as I said. They look kind of natural. I mean, you can totally see that I used a product to do the brows, but it looks kind of natural in my opinion. And I would love to try the soap thing, but you saw I have like 3 hairs on my eyebrows, and what I'm going to soap. my skin. So I feel like that's a no-no for me because I don't have enough hairs on my eyebrows. So I guess that's it for today. Please let me know down below what products you love for the eyebrows. As I said, this is my favorite pencil at the moment, but I'm open. So yeah, I'm open to try new products for my eyebrows. This is my favorite so far. And also let me know if you guys have a good eyebrow gel.